In this video, we are going to look at the action level risk rule set, how it is defined in GRC. So you have, let's say for example, you have a function called vendor management, which has transaction xk01, xk02, xk06. And there is one more function called approve invoices, which has FB50, FB60, F110, FB01. Now what SAP does is it generates a permutation combination. So the risk ID is P001, create a vendor and approve invoice. Okay, the first four characters are risk ID. Okay, the other characters which are after the first four characters is called rule ID. So it basically takes one transaction from this function and then combines with all the transactions of this other function. So what it means here is, if you have 3 plus 4, 12 permutation combinations are available. Okay, so rule ID 2 is combination between xk01 and fb60, xk01 f110, xk01 fb01. Like that, you just basically combines the transactions to generate the rule set. So now we will basically look at the same rule set in GRC. So now we are in GRC. We are looking at the rule set P002, which is conflicting between risk ID is P002, which is conflicting between AP payments and vendor maintenance. Okay, so here what we need to do is we need to filter by active, and then filter by okay, so now then filter by S_T code. Okay, S_T code, so we filter by that. Okay, so now this is what is called a risk ID. This is what is called a rule ID. So it basically that's the permutation combination 0450, 0450, 51, 52, 53, like that. So if I just pick one, okay, so this is how the permutation combination works. Thanks for watching the video. Click on the link below to download the SAP GRC step-by-step guide. Thank you.